Hi, today I am show you how to the website SEO demonstrators is working on Streamfrog software. Let's we go. This is my site. I will check it and start it. There is a scrolling. The links are this capturing. What are this index or whatever it is. There is a one by one this listings is showing on. There is so many links can we scroll and check it whether it is index or not, and also see the issues. What are the issues are we in this page to, and also how to fix also there is mention. There is the missing alt text and missing the size attribute. There is so many warnings and whatever is necessary issues and warning and opportunities. So whatever it is you can be resolved in SEO these tools. For more information to command me in my inbox. I will help you this tool and how to be works and will explain to you. Okay, thank you.